Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time viewing one of my videos. My name is Elle Morgan and I do fashion videos and I do lifestyle videos. So if you're interested in that type of content, then make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and just become a part of the BFF gang, BFF squad, BFF crew. Just become a BFF because by the end of this video, you'll see I'll be your best friend in your head and you just want to be a part of what's going on, right? So come on, girl, gonna do it. So on to today's video. I am super excited because today we're talking about shoes. So I am bringing you guys a collective shoe haul for the spring. I think I've done one of these last year. I usually do it about every spring, but I did purchase some shoes recently because I was supposed to be in Jamaica right now, getting drunk on somebody's beach. But yeah, the Rona said no, sis, not right now. I bought some shoes for that, but also just for the spring too. I'm going to share that with you and a couple other pairs that I've purchased in between that too. So yeah, so if you're interested, then keep watching. First pair I'm going to start with, I got these actually from Rainbows, and I got them when I was in Montgomery doing some other things or whatever, and I got these rainbow pumps. I know, like, what the hell, but I don't know, I just kept being drawn to them. When I first seen them, I didn't get them, but I kept thinking about them, so I had to go back and buy them. That's just how I roll. But yeah, that's what these look like. I just thought these would be so pretty and fun to play around with. I mean, obviously I probably would wear it with like an all white outfit or like an all denim look or something like that, and just finding accessories that match one of the colors in here. I was thinking in my head, if I did like an all white outfit, I would probably bring out the pink more, like getting a hot pink little mini bag and having like a hot pink like fedora hat or something like that. I just think that would be a really pretty look. But okay, so the next two pairs of shoes I'm going to show you are from Dillards, and I got them on a like 40% off sale that they had. They got one going on right now, but it actually was the one before that. So yeah, I got two pairs of shoes then because they were super cheap. I got this pair here, which I had in mind to wear, in Jamaica possibly, just because of the neon. I thought that would be a nice, fun, bright color to wear while I was out, while I was on vacation or whatever. It's pretty. Has like the neon little PVC material across the toe and like a sling back detail here, which I don't own any sling backs, so this is a new style for me. At first I was like, I don't know. I tried on the 7.5 and it was like falling on my foot, but the 7 actually fit pretty good. No heel cleavage, because I hate heel cleavage. I hate my heel hanging over the shoe. So yeah, none of that. These ones I actually went back for initially because I think it was like a couple days before the sale started that I spotted these out, but I knew they were going to have a sale, so I didn't get them the same day. But yeah, so I came back to actually get these, and then I ended up getting the other pair that I just showed you guys. But look at this heel detail. I thought that was pretty cool. Here, I'll zoom in close up of that. I thought that was pretty cool there. Now it'll be a fun like summer, spring shoe to wear. Last few come from Miss Lola, or is it Lola? I think it's just called Miss Lola now, or Lola Shoutique. Got these here, and I actually worn them for a when I was doing like a shoot for my online store, shopnotyouraverage.com. Shameless plug. Make sure you guys go and check me out over there. Got some cute new things in. But yeah, so I got these ones here, and I love the detail, that ponytail detail right there at the bottom. That's still, like, I still love that in the shoe. I know right now everybody's into the square, like that super thick square thing, which I'm not sure about that yet, but I really still like the ponytail here. And it had that clear PVC like material here, the transparent material. So I thought I could wear these with a lot of things, and I did need another neutral like single sole strappy shoe, and I thought this would be perfect for me, for my wardrobe. Next, I got these strappy lilac shoes, which are super adorable. And I've really been into this lavender lilac color for the spring. Like, I think that might be my color. I'm like really into that right now. But the only thing about these is that I have some heel cleavage in the back, and I do not like that. I think if I got like a 7.5, which I'm not sure if they even had a 7.5, but I think a 7.5 would be perfect for me in this shoe. But I don't know, I'm debating on whether or not I'm gonna keep it or just sell it on my Poshmark and just reorder it whenever they restock it or whatever, because I'm pretty sure they're sold out by now. But I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know, because I really don't like my heel hanging over my shoes. Like, I cannot stand that. So I don't know if I'm going to keep it and just be like, F it and still wear it, or just sell it on my Poshmark. I don't know. I really love this one as well. And this is actually a strap up, like it straps around like your leg, which is really pretty. I'm going to insert, see if I can find the picture from the site and insert that so you guys can really see it. But I thought this is so pretty for the spring and summertime, like with a cute little denim mini dress or something like that. Like, that would be so hot. So yeah, I got these here. And just the colors just was very springy to me. So I was like, I gotta have it. And so I got it. And lastly, these were a smidge out of the box for me. Because of the heel, I usually don't do this type of heel. It's kind of funky, but I don't know, I really like it. But it's these here. And you see how the heel is kind of like, it's small, but then kind of get big. Kind of remind me like some of the 70s platform. And I don't really like the heels like that. You know, where it's kind of like slanted and chunky. You know what I'm saying. But these I really liked. I thought these would make, like, I think this would really make like a really fun outfit. So yeah, it's got like this graffiti thing here at the bottom. And of course, got the little pointy little bottom here that I like, and then the same print goes throughout the shoe and on the heel. And then here it has the straps with like the colors that are in the graffiti on the straps. So I thought this would be really fun to play around with and wear and just spice up my outfits, you know, especially something that's kind of like basic and just bam, you know, hit them with the shoe, like, yes. Something like that. Okay guys, so that's it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am super excited to wear these shoes. Cannot wait to share these looks with you here and on my Instagram. And make sure you guys are following me there. And check out the description box below for all my other social media networks. Don't forget to shop my store, shop NadiaAverageMama.com. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.